Okay guys, so this is a long video, but
I got this ingredient, so let's open it. It's called the DIY Fluffy Slime Kit. If you want to get it, just go type it in and see what store it's from. Okay. Oh, it has a background. Okay. And it has a little sticker. I'm gonna put that right there right now. It has a bowl, some instructions, some DIY Fluffy Slime foam, the glue bottles that are clear glues, a container for the slime. I don't know if this fits the slime, but contact solution, the activator. I got some glitter that I used in my other one, so I got some glitter to make it fun, and a little spoon. So it really does have everything. Okay, so let's get everything out. And let's look at the instructions. Oh, so it's like a step-by-step. Okay. Okay, we already did that. Okay, put one glue bottle into a bowl. Okay, and there's a little seal right here. What I like to do is just pop it out over the bowl, and then I can get the seal in the glue. Put that right there. And then you just pour out the glue. That's what I do when there's seals, because you don't want to get it all over you. So I'm pretty sure we have all of the glue. If we don't, that's okay. Okay. Now we mix it a little bit. I like to mix it. It doesn't say that, but I just like to mix it a little bit. Okay, step 3. Add 10 pumps of foam. Okay, add 10 pumps of this if you're going. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's not really doing that much. Let's just mix it up. And it's not really getting that fluffy. So should I add some real shaving cream? Maybe I should. So I'm gonna add some actual shaving cream because this does not make it fluffy. But you can try with this first, and then if it's not fluffy, add some real shaving cream. And if you're doing this with me, then just follow my instructions. Okay, so just mix all the shaving cream in the bowl. When the shaving cream is done, I like to add a little bit of sparkle. So let's add that glitter in and mix it up. And I'm also going to be adding some food coloring. Even though it doesn't come with food coloring, I'm still gonna add it. I'm gonna add in this blue color because it's blue. If you're hearing any background noises, that's just somebody outside, like a dog outside or something. Okay, so now that it's blue, I'm going, fourth step, mix it all up. Okay, so it says add 2 to 3 drops at a time. So since I did the blue bottle, I'm going to do this blue cap. You don't have to do, but I just wanted it because, you know, and since it is blue, yeah, it's blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's like 9 drops. Let's see what happens. Is this gonna work? Oh, yep, it already is forming. Let's add some more. I'm pretty sure you have to add this whole bottle, but just to make sure, I'm just gonna stick with adding drops right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's add that much in. And just keep on adding, and I'll see you when the slime is. Okay, so I'm back, and I finished with the slime. It is kind of jiggly, and it is fluffy, and it is pokeable, and it is stretchy a little bit. Like, it's stretchy a little bit. This is actually pretty shiny. Anyways, let's do another one. So I'm just going to be adding this to my collection. And this is actually a Cupid because I like this slime. Like, it can stretch too, so I mean, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there. Put that right there. And I'm gonna get out my next bowl. And I'm doing the purple one this time. Man, this one's really hard. I can't even get this open. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So I got that out, and let's squeeze it. And there's actually a lot of glue in here. For like this bottle, there's a lot of glue in here. So let's just make sure everything gets out. It's gonna take like 20 years, but okay. That. And then I'm gonna do this one pink. So there's this. There's some pink food dye. Oh, this is purple. Should I do? Oh, there's pink. Okay. Should I do sparkles or no sparkles? I'm pretty sure I should do sparkles. So I'm just gonna do it. So let's add some food coloring. I have pink food coloring. And I'm gonna get it with this. Okay. I'm gonna do it with this, so I'm gonna add that. And now I mix. And this is pink. Spread it outside the bowl. And now we add some pink glitter. So I'm gonna add like that much because I don't really need to add it at that much glitter because I mean, you see it, but like, it doesn't really matter. It's just tiny little bits. And this time I'm actually gonna try, like I'm just gonna add this in. Okay, it's getting foamy. It's getting kind of foamy. I think that's about 10 drops. So I'm just gonna mix. And it makes it kind of lighter, so yeah. I just said, so yeah. Okay. And this is also the barrel where you keep it. I don't think I'll be using this because this is a 2 of a small one. So I'm just gonna mix. Let's see what this slime's doing. Oh, whoa, it actually turned like really stretchy. So cool. Yeah, it actually turned really stretchy. That's cool. Okay, I'll see you back. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I just had to go to the bathroom, so yeah. Anyways, I added like 2 pumps of this more. I want to see if this like foams up. I don't know, but I'm just adding more. And I'm gonna leave it this time. I'm not gonna add any shaving cream. Let me add some more pink dye because I don't really like this pink. Well, I like pink, but like I don't really like this pink. Should I add the purple dye or should I just leave it like this? I think I should add the purple dye because I already have a color like this. So yeah, I already have a color like this. So I'm just going to do the purple dye. Oh, that's a blue glitter. Purple dye. And that is scent. Oh yeah, I can actually. No, not that scent. I'm gonna add some scent, guys. This scent right. Apple scent. Okay. I'm gonna be adding an apple scent with purple dye. Pink and purple dye. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of purple. Okay. See what happens. Oh, it's actually turning like this darker color. Like it's still like pink. I don't want it to be like still pink. Well, that's a lot of food coloring. This is purple dye and this is pink dye. Okay, it turned it something newer. So I have this color sparkle. So let me just get it out. I have this color sparkle, so I have purple sparkles. So I'm just gonna get that out. Okay. I think I added enough sparkles, so just leave the sparkles alone right now. And now we're gonna add our apple scent. And I got some scents from like different like kits. I'm gonna add a lot of this because oh, okay. Luckily, okay. That does not smell like apples. but it does not smell like apples at all. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be right back. I'm back, and I'm sorry this is in your way. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the contact solution. I don't think this is contact solution, because why would they have contact solution in place? I mean, I need something to like. Yeah. Well, that was easy. Just kidding. Okay, so I got it open, and I'm actually gonna show you how much I put in. So I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I mixed. It's already coming together. I mix really well, and then I move on. Squirt in some more, mix really good. And then move on. And this is a workout. My arm is getting tired, so I should do it like this. This is kind of hard. Okay. I'm gonna squirt in kind of a lot because this isn't really coming together, but it will, don't worry. Like this one came together, so like look at how stretchy. Oh my gosh, it's like really breaky right now. Okay, I'll just leave you like that. Okay, so let's just mix this, and don't add the whole bottle like I did. That will make grippy slime. So just add like half of the bottle, I guess. Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh, wait, it's kind of sticky. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to make it unsticky. And the sides should be clean when your slime is done. So let me just clean up my edges. This slime is still sticky. Sticky, I didn't mean sticky. Okay. Yeah, you can see that it's sticky because the bowl is lifting up. Okay, I think this is good. So let me take it out. Yeah, it's pretty good. Phew, I don't have to mix it anymore. My arm actually hurts after that. Okay. So this slime I can actually like stretch really well. So I'm gonna make a swirl with it, or a poop. Sorry, this is a long video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like slime, or if you like any of my videos. Comment down below if you did it, and what's your favorite food. And today's like button challenge is try to touch the like button with your tongue. And this is a new thing for like people that have been on my channel a lot. This is like a new thing, so yeah. We were like, huh, what's the like button challenge? Now you know, because it's a new thing, so I need more glitter. Okay. So this is getting a long video, so I should go. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Oh, and I'm also going to be doing a mixture between the blue one and the pink one. So I'm going to be mixing them up So you see this? You see this? Whoa, that looks so cool. Like, it's turning purple. It's turning purple. Yeah, it's gonna be purple. So I'm just poking everything in. It's really jiggly. Na, 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 na. Yeah, it's turning. I'm putting in more foam. Not foam, but foam. And it is purple. So this is mine. Not really a big cruncher. So it is Rippy slime, but it does stretch. And why did I mix these together? Why? This is just a horrible slime. Like, I mean, it's cool to look at. Like, I made like unicorn slime, but like, can't really play with it. Like, when you stretch it, this is what happens. So probably I'm going to add some more glue. Okay, the glue is coming. I'm adding some more glue because this is really hard. So like, the glue makes it like better. Like, it's already half better. Like, look, it can stretch. So let's add some more. Don't think there's any more in this bottle. I'll check in the purple bottle. Yeah, there's some glue in there. So yeah, there's a lot of glue in here. Oh man, I left out. Okay. I lucked out. Okay. We are farmers. That commercial was just on. And look at this. It's stretchier. It can do a swirl now. It can crunch. Do you hear that? It can poke. It can stretch a little bit. Can't make bubbles with it. But like, you can stretch it this. And it is good. It's really shiny actually. So I'm just gonna add more glue because it's turning. Yeah, man, I looked out. Okay. We'll get that in there. I'm gonna poke it. Get in there. Get the edges. Okay. Yep, it is ready. I hope you like my video. Bye.